Hey guys, what's up guys? This is Maddox here. So, this is another train spot in Plymouth. This was day 3 of train spotting after a while. And I wanted to show you the train on day 3, and this time it was successful. And it should be dinging in any moment. This crossing signal right here. In 3, 2, 1. Yes! Perfect timing! Stop! Stop, people! Stop! There you go. Oh, it has stack containers. Yeah, CSX. I should have brought a sweater. Oh, there's a difference. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.